Hi guys, so are you ready to draw with me today? Today we will be drawing a blue jay bird. So let's get started. So I will be using a lot of blue colors for this drawing, different shades of blue. So I hope you like it and draw it with me, and if you want to draw it and send me your drawing to get featured in my next video, don't forget to send it to my Facebook or my Instagram accounts. All the information is in the description box for you, and I put a lot of links there for you to check out, so don't forget to check them out. And I hope you will send me or comment below and let me know if you have any requests for me to draw for next time as well. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell icon as well to get a video every single day, because I release a video for you every single day. A blue jay in real life, you will see that in their feathers they have different colors of blue and blacks blended in together like a mesh. Looks really pretty. So that's what I was trying to mimic in this drawing as well. So I really hope you love it as well, and let me know in the comments below what you think of this drawing. I will give you some fun facts about blue jays. So they tend to rub ants on their feathers. So what they do is they rub ants on their feathers, draining the ants of their formic acid before they gobble them up. This is known as anting. So I'm getting this information from naturecanada.ca. If you want to check it out as well, it has very good facts about blue jays. So it also says, over the years several theories have been proposed to explain this bizarre behavior. One theory hypothesized the excreted acid served as a safeguard against parasite and bacteria. There you go. It even has a name called anting. Isn't that funny? And the pigment found in blue jay feathers is actually brown. But it looks really blue. So melanin, the same pigment found in human hair and skin, is a brown pigment. And it is the pigment found in blue jay feathers as well. But they are blue. So wonder why they are blue. So the blue appearance of many blue birds is due to refraction, a light scattering phenomenon. The barb structure of blue jay feathers is such that when light hits them, the blue light is refracted while the other wavelength of visible light are absorbed by the melanin, making them look blue. Interesting. It's very cool. If you've seen them, they have very nice looking feathers, and they are different, like turquoise blended blue color. Very pretty. If you come across a blue jay feather, try backlighting it. Without direct light, the blue is no longer reflected and the feather will look brown to you. So try it out next time. If you ever come across a blue jay feather, check it out. Blue jays are very interesting animals. So going back to the drawing, we are done with the drawing part. So let's go into coloring. So I'm going to start off with a turquoise looking blue color. And then we will build all the other colors from there onwards. And then they also have this really dark blue color as well, which I will be adding in, and as we go, like I'm doing here, I will be adding in more details as well. So if you have any requests or comments, don't forget to let me know by commenting below. So blue jays can make a variety of sounds, and it is common to hear them mimicking hawks, especially the red-shouldered hawk. So interesting. I didn't know these animals are so interesting. The first theory is the mimicry serves as a warning to other jays about any lurking hawks. The second is that jays are trying to fool other species into thinking they are hawks nearby. So they are very smart as well. It's cool bird. And blue jays have been known to chip at any board light colored paint, probably to stockpile a source of calcium for the spring. Wow, very interesting facts here. If blue jays are chipping away at the paint on your house, try providing an alternate source of calcium like crushing eggshells. This usually stops the unwanted behavior. So also another fact that it says is blue jays are noisier in the fall than in the spring or summer. During spring or summer they tend to be quieter, noisy little neighbors during the fall time though. In spring and early summer, when they are nesting, jays tend to be more secretive. Come fall, when they are scavenging for food and hawks are more present, they communicate a variety of information and warnings through their calls. So if you know any good fun facts like these about blue jays or any other animal, let me know in the comments below. I would love to know. I didn't know blue jays are this interesting and looks like very smart as well. And they are very unique if you think about it, from feather to the way they act. Don't you think so? Comment below and let me know. So I hope you are finding these drawings very easy to draw. If you are having difficulty in a particular area and wants me to show you something better, let me know in the comments below, or you can always send me a message on Facebook or Instagram. I will always try to make it better for you. So just let me know. I'm always interested in knowing what I can improve on my videos as well. So you see that I'm adding in this dark blue color as well. So the top of the head and majority of the feathers, I find that it's a darker blue color, except for the tail feathers. They tend to be different colors, like turquoise and shinier, lighter colors blended in the tail feathers. So that's what I'm trying to get to here. So I will show you in a bit how the full color drawing looks like as well. And I hope you look at the description box below for links for color pencils, to my kids coloring book as well. I have a link down below if you are interested. It's very affordable, and you can check out all the links there as well. So now that we are almost done with the coloring, I will get to the full color drawing in a bit, and I will show you how the full color drawing looks like, so you can get a full idea of how my blue jay looks. And if you want to use the same color pattern, you can use that drawing as well to get the same colors. So this is my final colored look of the blue jay. I hope you really like it. If you do, don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment for me. And I did put some nice products for you in my Redbubble shop for you to check out. So check it out. I have the link in the description box below for you. So check out all the products that I have of this blue jay as a print on the products. And now I put some next videos for you to check out as well. I hope you love them as well and draw them with me. And don't forget to hit on my face logo to subscribe to my channel and click on that bell icon to get a notification every time I release a video, because I release one every single day. And I hope you have a great day and enjoy this video and many more. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.